Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll add final touches of our game. Almost our game was completed, like we need to add some things which are very important to our game. So if you've not seen before tutorials, the link was available in description. You can find all the tutorials and you can learn 2D game development by seeing these 40 tutorials. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. In this channel you can learn lot many technical things as well as sometimes about motivation, sometimes about guidance. You can learn lot many things. Hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we worked with pause and resume buttons. It's like a just I'll give overview what we have done in before tutorial. If you not seen before tutorials, you can find that all the link was available in description, and you can see how it was working. And we also added the timer, everything. So we added the scenes. So yes, of course, it's like a play game. So we done everything. Now in this tutorial, like we'll make as a just go to player, and you can see that. So here, if I end here, I need to get like a game over. So for that, we already added new scene, that is game over scene. So here, if you end here, like you'll get like a you win also. So you win. So better to create a you win scene. Just create a new scene, that is name it as you win. So already we are just create and just go to UI and create text mesh pro. So now you are able to see that is make it as you win. So you win. So if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size. So just increase the size to 50. So if you want to keep any background image, you can just drag. I'm having lot many images here. So if you want to keep the background image, you can keep. So just add in where enemies. I already added in before the scene also. Yes, of course we can see now, right? Just increase the size of this. Yes, you will see. Yes, not bad. So you win scene was added. So just control as and make it as win scene. So win scene, make it as win scene. So now just go to our scenes and just go to sample scene. So if I touches this flag, and if I be here, so I'll get like a win scene, like you win. So for that I want to create a like empty game object. So just I'll create an empty game object. So make it as empty, and for this I want to add box collider. So why I'm adding box collider, I'll show, no need to worry about box collider. So I'll add box collider, that is final collider. You can keep final detector, you can keep detector. So final detector, sorry, final detector. So final detector, and it's in this one, right? So just make this one increase the size, and if you touches shut. So ah just move by using move component. So yes, if player touches this one, automatically you should get like you win. See, so I'm making fault detector because user has don't know that we kept this detector. So now I'll create a new script, that is make it as new win script. Just make it as win script. and just open the script. Win script, I think it's created outside. We need to go to scripts and just you can see here. Oh shut. Go to win and open. First of all, we need to using using Unity engine dot scene management. So we'll get like a you win, right? You win scene. So if it's collide, we'll get like a you win scene. So you can keep like on trigger also, like on collision enter or on trigger enter. So I'll use on trigger enter, right? So void, so make it as on trigger enter 2D. So you can make on collision enter also. So here collision dot, so you can write if condition, that is collision dot game object dot, so name equal to player. If player touches, right? So in player, p should be capital, we are equating with name, so we can say p should be capital, of course, player. And if player touches, so I'll get like load scene, like what we can say. So scene management. So sorry, scene management. So scene manager dot load scene. So which scene? Win scene, right? So W is capital or what? I have to know that. Go to scenes and check the spelling. W is capital. So if you give a single mistake, it's not work. So if it touches, then you'll get like a win scene. So we'll work on that. So actually I want to change the timer. So just go to canvas and increase the time, like you can increase like 100 because I don't want to lose the game. Just play here. So just play and just make it as maximize, and this is the final touches. So I think I lose. Such a tricky game. So actually I don't want to lose. So that's why I'm working start. So pure gold. So now we can check. Uh, so we are not. Oh, I think it's not getting right. So why it's not working? We need to check that. Just go to final detector. So is trigger we added. Then why it was not working? I want to know that. So if player touches, we'll get like a win scene. Oh, shut! We didn't add it in build settings, right? So just drag this win scene and drop here. Shut. Again, just play here. So simple mistakes will make me to. Because I don't want to lose the heart. So because one bullet, two enemies destroyed. So I'll destroy all the enemies. Then it's easy for me. Did you observe that my timer is also working? Everything working. If I touches now, we can see here. So we are, yes, you win scene. We got, yes, finally we got. So we done everything. I think we are created like big game, like it's nice, right? So this is the way to do. So if you collect all the coins, you can make more things and you can add more things into game. This is for this tutorial, and I'll come with another tutorial that how to build your game into your PC, and we'll play this game into your PC. I think you all enjoyed these gaming tutorials, so just hit that like button.
Hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share all